doctors, the award for the most trusted brand of the year in multivitamin therapy goes to Team Alkem Nexa for their brand A to Z NS Plus. Depression than men. Even today, there is a lot of taken care of like International Women's Day, PCOS Awareness Month, etc. They were also used for raising this awareness associated with men has helped lakhs of patients to strengthen their immunity and ensure them recover faster. For their product innovation and achieving the leadership in the ready-to-drink fluids, electrolytes and energy therapy, the award for the innovation in therapy leadership goes to Team KPU for their brand ORS.
पूछ लो जल्दी जल्दी भाई।
What to eat, how much to eat, when to eat, and what not to eat.
Tell us the importance of the award that is given to you. Does that increase your responsibility? How do you feel about it?
Yes,
We have been pioneering and providing the therapy which is more of evidence-based, and in that therapy we definitely motivates and inspires us to provide
Today in India, what is the main challenges that the health population is lacking, and what are the challenges for the population?
from 10 to 24 years the population.
everybody is aware of the importance to what does we practice is more important. So the more awareness of the making the people to practice things and taking care of the health is what is one of the biggest challenges which everybody should
The one last message that you would like to give to the people of India, so how to manage their diet.
50% of the height achieved during this period, and 50% of adult weight, and 45% of the skeletal mass is achieved in adults.
control on that and then exercise that keep yourself.
So investing in the adolescent, we have a triple investment. Adolescents, they will get more nutrition.
लाइट लगाओ। हाँ हाँ।
Nutrition is maintained and nutritional status enables them to grow well and enjoy the
लाइट किसने बंद किया भाई?
करना भाई क्या है?
So most of us
क्या है यार अभी?
क्या
child
विशाल?
is not taking food. He can take his food maybe 1 year later after getting it, but that's not correct. Whatever the habits
नहीं
they
देता।
inculcate during the adolescence or in the early childhood, that will be there for the rest of your life. If you don't take proper nutrition during the adolescence or in the early childhood, you carry all these things.
क्या रोल?
मेरे लाइसेंस का गाड़ी नहीं देखा
Identify the factors which are influencing the nutrition during the adolescence. Right from the individual, social, and environmental. The individual factors we have to take care of because of the peer pressure or because of the fancies. They will take not a healthy nutrition, but there is no all what we call the junk foods or the foods which are not nutritious.
For which we got the award.
So if you see data, 21% of the adolescents consume milk of less than a day. Not much. 34% women less than once in a day. 42%
This campaign is in a direction. If you see the word she and healer, she itself is a healer here, where this campaign is getting propelled to the female psychiatrists, and we are catering the women mental health well-being through this campaign.
How important is the fiber and the health of general population?
Water has to be taken by everyone, right from the baseline of mental health.
Right, absolutely. So, if we talk about women per se, so women experience 3 times more anxiety and depression if we talk about compared to general population. And then if we talk about Indian households, so Indian households, they don't get that conducive environment to the women. And that is where, we identified the need of this campaign, as well as there is a lot of data to support this thing, and a lot of things have been moving in that direction particularly. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
एक्शन रेडी अरे रुक जा भाई
क्या रोल?
Just introduce yourself, madam.
पूछ लो यार भी तेरा थोड़ा
मस्तान किधर है? मस्तान का है? लगा जल्दी लगा 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 हाँ मतलब
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर चलो नेक्स्ट
Sure. Hello everyone, I'm Parth Thakkar from Lupin. So this award that we have got from Pro Health Convergence 2024 is for the fastest growing brand in the segment of calcium. So as we all know that 14% of our body is bones and 99% of the bones are calcium. So calcium is a very important aspect as we speak about the wellness of the health, and Corsium as a brand, Lupin as an organization is committed in ensuring that we reach out to every single patient, every HCP in the market, and ensure that everyone knows about the brand and what are the benefits of calcium and how can we change the perception of calcium just as a supplement. Rather, it would be a way to wellness. So thank you so much. Thank you. And we thank once again Sims Medica and Pro Health Convergence for this award. Thank you.
After 10 a.m. And must remember each 30 minutes of breaking up. Usual. An ideal time for the lunch.
Rohit Vanmore. I'm working as a group product manager in Alchem, and I'm feeling very proud to winning this award, the most trusted brand of the year in multivitamin category, A to Z NS Plus. So we have crossed this brand with the 300 crore mark in the last month itself, and because of all the trust which we have gained from all the doctors across the country. And externally also we are growing by more than 15% and faster than the market, and one of the leading brands of the multivitamin category. Now feeling proud about this award in my hand with me and along with my team. So thank you very much everyone. Thank you.
First of all, good evening everybody, and I'm extremely happy to say that PNG Health has received this award in the category of awareness, health awareness to consumers. I would like to reiterate that Procter & Gamble Health is committed to its patients and consumers' health, especially in their nerve care category. And going forwards, we almost intend to kind of keep raising awareness, because nerve health is one category which we believe that consumer awareness is really less. And we would keep doing what we are doing in terms of increasing awareness about their nerve health to the general consumer and patients across India. So thank you very much, and thank you to this conference for recognizing our efforts and providing us the award. Thank you so much.
Thank you. As the most trusted brand, and this is over a 70-year-old brand in the Indian pharma industry, which enjoys trust of all the doctors. When you talk of in terms of units sold, it is the #1 brand in the entire asthma and COPD market. It enjoys the trust of doctors that we provide to the patients when it comes to the treatment. And the concept of add-on to inhalers to improve better patient outcome with Terifylin has taken the new turn now. So it is the #1 brand of Zydus with over 200 crores of sale. And when it comes to patients, our mission is to reach 200 million patients in 2025. Thank you so much.
next award.